Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by patting the chicken dry and seasoning it. This helps the coating stick and flavors penetrate. Once seasoned, dust each piece in flour to create a dry surface, then dip into beaten 2 eggs to bind the crumbs. Make sure to press the breadcrumbs onto the surface so they adhere. This creates an even, crispy crust. Work one piece at a time to avoid sogginess and use separate trays to keep the breaded chicken from touching. Once the breaded chicken is ready, heat oil in a skillet until shimmering, or arrange on a wire rack in the oven for crisper results. Sear in the pan for about 3–4 minutes per side to form a golden crust, and if baking, flip halfway through to brown evenly. Use a thermometer to confirm 74 degrees C, 165 degrees F, internal temperature so the meat is safe and juicy. If the outside is browning too fast, lower the heat and finish covered to cook through without burning. You finish by letting the cooked chicken rest for about 5 minutes. This step makes slices juicier and preserves the crisp crust. Once rested, serve immediately with lemon wedges or a sauce to cut richness, and pair with a simple salad for texture contrast. If the crust becomes soggy, don't panic. Reheat on a rack in a hot oven at 220 degrees C for 3–5 minutes to recrisp, and make sure not to stack pieces when storing to prevent steam softening the breading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.